If you have a small space, it doesn't mean that you cannot achieve a wonderful, beautiful, and comfortable space. It's true that designing a small space is all about visual manipulation, and we need to be very clever to take advantage of every inch. In this video, I want to share with you tips and ideas to trick your mind to perceive a small space as a larger one. Hi guys, welcome back to D.Signers. I'm Zahira, architect and interior designer, founder of D.Signers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to join our design community and to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. Are you ready? Let's get started. The best way to start with a small space is with your wall color. Using light colors, especially white and pastels, in a small space is a very popular choice. That is because a room with light colors feels bigger and brighter because the surfaces can reflect more light, making walls appear to recede, creating a bright feel. Contrasting colors tend to break up a space, making it appear even smaller than it is. Using the same color family is another great way to not see boundaries and the space seems to continue. Pieces of furniture that match the wall color are less jarring and tend to blend with the space, giving the illusion of a bigger room. If you want to learn more about colors, check out my video on that right here. In small spaces, we should stick to simple and light objects to avoid crowding the space with too much information. Let's see some tips at the time of selecting furniture for small spaces. Select furniture with legs because it feels less heavy in a space that pieces that sit directly on the floor. Since the leggy furniture doesn't obstruct view of the floor, your brain will perceive the real dimension of the space. Another great idea is to choose furniture that you can see through. Glass tables and shelving, bookcases without sides, and acrylic chairs can feel as if they take up less space. The fact is that they don't obstruct your line of vision, allowing you to take in the entire room without having to look around or over something. If you use transparent objects, your eyes will view more of the space and trick your mind into thinking it's bigger than what it really is. Another great tip, and a must-have in small spaces, is to choose furniture that serves multiple purposes. This way, you can adapt your space to many situations depending on the activity. Think about purchasing a coffee table or an ottoman with hidden storage, ottomans that serve as a coffee table, and so on. Designing small spaces is all about tricking the eye to believe that the space is much larger. Let's see some very easy recommendations to incorporate into the space, but they can make a huge difference. While many patterns can make a space look smaller, there is one exception to the rule: stripes. In fact, stripes make space look larger, so if you are decorating a small room, opt for striped curtains or rug to maximize its visual space and to accentuate perspective and depth to the room. Use mirrors to give the illusion of expansion. Placing a mirror near a window to reflect the outdoors is especially effective. Mirrors on the walls and glass tabletops will give your room a more open feel. Cut the clutter. Keep your room tidy and organized. There is nothing that makes a small space feel smaller more than having too much stuff. Hidden a clever storage is the best friend of your small space. Keep the floor as clear as possible. This is one of the most important ways to maintain a sense of spaciousness. Patterned rugs and furniture can also make a space feel smaller. If you want to make a room feel large and more visually cohesive, stick to a single accent piece per room. Go for fabrics and rugs in small prints or plain colors to maintain the proportion between elements and to avoid cluttering the space. Guys, if you want to support this channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to join our design community. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.